Well, welcome to Bob's Garden Railway, spring of 2020. And, well, let's start out here in the suburban and rural area. Here we have a little bit of farming going on, but mainly this is a sort of recreational area for people to take a little vacation in the summer. But the trains are pretty noisy running through into the factory area. This is the major employers in the region. Lots of people in the town work at that factory, and here's the town. We have a downtown area that's serviced here by passenger train moving through, obviously not stopping at the station, but we have a little old ruined castle here, which is another tourist attraction for this town. And the town also has a tram service which links the lower part of the town with the upper town. And let's move on to the upper town now. We can see some construction going on. But there's another train, a little commuter train, which is taking people to and from work in the town. It's very noisy. You can see there's traffic. Lots going on in this little town. We have another small residential area that I want to point out down here, because my house is here. This is where I live in this town. Lots of things going on, weddings, church singing, plenty of people at this bar, and plenty of people shopping. It's a busy place, and now the sounds that you can hear in the background, these are coming from the Canadian Pacific Railroad. So this is a train that travels from coast to coast in Canada. It's influential in establishing Canada as a country, and here it is up high in the mountains. In fact, it looks as though it's higher than some of the airplanes. So back down to the outskirts of the city, the rural area. There's some agriculture here. We have a little hospital, and then we have the factory, the major employer. Lots of work here, lots of employment, and this keeps the economy running. So I hope you've liked this very short trip through the Indoor Garden Railway. Thanks for watching, and I'll be updating this soon.